Spencer in his Golf R has, what, 272,000 miles? Oh, 172, my bad. Is it C7? What's your name? Tom. Sorry guys, I have too much loud noises in my ears. I'm losing focus. Alright, we'll have Spencer start. We only need to hear it once before it blows up. Corvette. Hey Spencer, drive off. Yeah, get out of here, Spencer. I'm not even taking it around. Oh, dude, it's farting. It's just farting. Hey, you're what? Keep going. Right? I'm an angel. That's close. Alright, we'll have the C7 go. Alright, C7 again. Alright, what do you guys got? Q50? Let's do it together. Alright, when I put my thumb up, you guys go, alright? Alright, Q50? C7. One more. Q50. C7. I think C7 got that one. Alright, we'll have the C4 go. Alright, C7. You both go. Alright guys, you think all four can go? You guys want to try all four? Alright, I'm gonna put my hand in like a light, drag race or whatever. Just go when I put my hand down, alright? We're gonna vote on the winner now. C4? C7. We're gonna do awards, like right now once you guys get out of the way. I'm gonna have you park and stick around so we can give you your acceptance call thing. But again, thank you guys so much for coming out.